This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am at Disney's All-Star Movie Resort. We are in the Toy Story building, Building 9. This is a preferred room. We're going to do a room tour. That is a like Ask Disney type of thing, kind of like Alexa. This will pull down into a bed, which I'll do at the end. So you have coffee and tea stuff there. You do have a little, I hesitate to call it a fridge, it's just a beverage cooler. So you can leave just the one bed. You can pull down and use both beds, depending on how many people are in your room. Look at Daisy, isn't she cute? You do have plugs over here. Then you have this set of plugs and set over there. In here, safe and some extra pillows, and then just some drawers over there. You do have some hangers over here. And same plugs and stuff on this end. This does open and shut, so if you need some privacy, and of course that one shuts as well for the toilet. You do have, looks like a steam iron, and okay, steam iron and a hair dryer. Okay, we're gonna go back, do a final look, and then I'm going to pull that extra bed down so we can see that. Right, let me move the chairs. Okay, chairs have been moved. The bed is really easy to get down yourself. Easy peasy. Then if you want to put it back up, again, super easy. I'm doing it with one hand. No problem.